Want to get a head start on developing analytics content? The Content Network enables you to download free technical samples, templates, and industry and line of business end-to-end scenarios created by SAP or third-party vendors. Within the list, the status of the packages is displayed here. Any packages you must purchase through the SAP Store are flagged with a different icon. You can browse through the list for content and filter the list based on a wide range of industries or lines of business. You can also search for specific terms in the package title. Business content created by SAP is also available. For the selected content package, you can see a detailed description along with any relevant documentation. For some packages, you may need to accept terms and conditions of use before you can download the content. You can also define an import schedule if updates are allowed for the package, decide what to do about duplicate objects, select a location for the download, and review the files that make up the package. Once the import process has started, you can see its progress in your notifications. After the content has been imported, you can review the status for each object. Here, the system already has a folder for SAP content, so the content is added to the existing folder. When importing content designed for live data sources, keep in mind that you may need to create a live connection on your system that matches the name of the connection in the content package before you can complete the installation. If you kept the default location for the import, you'll find your new content in the public folder. Many of the available packages include demo data, so you can see how the visualizations work. You can import your own data into the associated models if you want to use the content for your organization. For more details on getting content from the Content Network, check out the links in the description and try it for yourself today.